Hi ladies and gentlemen, so right now we are going to doing the swapping battery 76.8 volt 40 ampere hour battery job testing. So firstly we are going to jot the battery at this position at one time 1 meter, and secondly we are going to jot the battery at 6 size 1 2 3 4 5 6 size and 4 angles 1 2 3 4 4 angles, so both 2 times. So totally we will test 21 times of the jot test of the battery. So let's start it. Okay, right now is 60 centimeter. Okay, right now the battery already finished the job testing. Let's see the product details. And as you can see that right now the battery at 6 size both are okay, and then the 4 angles except there are some scratch, but the 4 angles are still okay. And then the battery function performance is still good. The battery voltage is 781 voltage, and the SOC is 100%. And then the below is the cells voltage. And then we can check that the battery LED light performance is good. Okay, the job testing is successful right now. If you are interested in our battery swapping system project, please feel free to connect us. Thank you. Bye bye.